WhatsApp just added a new feature and then most people don't have it yet. Today's tutorial is just about knowing how to enable the reshare button on your status, and I'm going to demonstrate just that. So you could see down here plus reshare, right? You could tag people and everything, and then if I'm to post this status, I learned exactly how the fall of man occurred in the garden. If I post this status right now and I go to my views, you could see that reshared is there, which means I reshared this from someone else's status, and mine too is now sending. Reshared is enabled, so I'm going to teach you how I got a reshared to be enabled. So I go back and then I go to my update settings and I go to status privacy. Then I turn on allow reshare. Let people who can see your status reshare and forward it. So if it's off, you turn it on. Then you go back and then you check, and then yeah, I learned exactly that's it. Someone can how the fall of man occurred in the Garden of Eden. Adam and Eve were in the Garden of Eden, and so Adam said one day, "Wow, Eve, here we are, one with nature, one with God. We'll never age, we'll never die, and all our dreams come true the instant that we have them." And Eve said, "Yeah, it's just not enough, is it?"
No, that's not fun. I was just waiting for more.
Alright, so now let me demonstrate how I can reshare someone else's status. I can see in the right here. I click on it, it's the little things always, and then because she has been able to enable her reshare, I just click on reshare, and I could also add a caption to it or something, maybe a cheers, yeah, a cheers or something. If I want to crop to, I could crop the image to fit, but I don't want to crop this, is fine. Then you can also tag anyone you want. You can add a sticker or anything. Then you simply press send. So if you see the status plus share over here, it means that anybody who sees this status too can also reshare, and then it reduces the please send and always please send, please share and everything. Thank WhatsApp has brought this to make that easier for you. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, my social media, follow us, like and share this video to a friend. The reshare ability gives you the option to be able to forward and also, most importantly, save the video. So if you save the video, it goes to your gallery and then you could send to anyone. But in case you've reshared someone's video on your status and you want to save it in your gallery too, you could just tap on save, and then don't forget to follow me for more tech tips. Thank you so much. My name is Written Right. I'm out. So